Welcome back. This video is for all the WooCommerce store owners out there. Guys, if you have ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to export your newly added WooCommerce products from one store to another store, then you are at the right place. We have got you covered today. So if you're expanding your business by opening a secondary store or you're collaborating with any other WooCommerce store owner, this video is going to help you a lot because here I'm going to show you an automation technique which is going to export your newly added WooCommerce products from one store to another automatically. So you do not have to manually copy and paste the data, and this way you can save a ton of your time and focus on other aspects of your business. And we can set up this automation without any coding. So let's begin. To set up this workflow, we are using an integration and automation tool known as Pabbly Connect. And this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. And I'm going to paste the link of this page in the description so that you can sign up for free from here and you will get free automation tasks every month. So guys, just sign up right now from the given link and follow me through the video and let's build your automation together. Okay. So after signing up, you can sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, click on Create Workflow button. Here you can give a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So I have given this name here. Now I'm clicking on Create and you can see the workflow page is loading up. Alright, and here you can see guys, we have these basic building blocks of our automation, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, we can set up this workflow. Trigger is that event which is going to start the workflow, and the action is a automated response of the trigger. In our use case, guys, we want that whenever we add a new product in one store, let's say at a primary store, this workflow should trigger and export the data as a new product in our secondary WooCommerce store. Okay. So here in the trigger, guys, the trigger application would be WooCommerce. So select WooCommerce here. Then you have to select the trigger event as new product. So search for new product created. Okay. And it will give you this webhook URL. So with the help of this URL, we are going to follow these instructions and create a connection with WooCommerce store. Okay. Then we are going to capture the response of this connection. So let's follow. Here is my primary WooCommerce store's dashboard. Okay, this is my WordPress dashboard, and here you can see WooCommerce plugin is here. From here you have to click on settings, and under settings page you will find this advanced tab. Click on advanced. Okay, and here you will find the webhooks option. Click on webhooks. Right, and here you will find the add webhook button. Click on it. And here guys, this form will open up. Here you have to provide a connection to this you have to provide a name to this connection. So I'm providing the name as new product, let's say. Then you have to make the status as inactive. Select the topic as product created. Okay, and here in the delivery URL field you have to paste this webhook URL. So just click on copy from here and paste it here in this field like this. Okay, here it is asking for the API version, keep it as it is, and then click on save webhook, and you can see your connection is getting set. Okay, so you can see the webhook is updated successfully. Now guys, here you can see as we have set the webhook, it started showing this webhook ID. Okay, so now we have to capture the response of this connection. This means now I'm going to click on this recapture button and it will start waiting for the response, and we are going to create a test product inside our primary WooCommerce store, and the data of that test product will be captured here, and with that data we are going to move forward. Okay, so click on recapture webhook response. Yes. Okay, here you can see it started waiting. Now I'm coming back to my primary WooCommerce store, and from here I'm going to click on this new. Here I'm going to select product. Alright, and here you can see it is this is the product creation page, and here it is asking for the product name, the description and all the things. So let me fill in all the data related to the product. So guys, I have filled the details here. You can see the name of the product is new test product. This is just a small test description. Here I have added some details related to the inventory and the general the pricing and all. This is the regular price, this is the sales price. This product is virtual as well and a downloadable product. You can build this workflow for a physical product as well. Here I have added a featured image for the product. Now the only thing I'm going to do here is to publish it. So click on publish, and the data of the published product will be captured here in front of you in a few moments as it's going to be published. Here you can see the product is now published. Okay, let's check in our workflow if we got the data. And here you can see, guys, we have received the data, and in this data you can see it is showing the product is virtual. One means true, type of the product is simple, status of the text is it is a taxable product, it is in stock, it is published, this is the slug, this is the sales price, and here you can see the actual price, the name of the product. Everything got captured here like this in these labels we have received. Okay, now guys, you can see the image link here as well. Now guys, with the help of this data, I'm going to create a new product in my next store. Okay, but guys, here you can see as we have received the labels here for the virtual product, we have received the value here as 1. Okay, 1 means true, so we need to convert this 1 into true or false values so that we can map the labels. So here in the action step, first of all, I'm going to create a lookup table, a table using lookup table module, in which we are going to create some labels corresponding to some values that we have received, just to make it more simple. Okay, so here you can just search for lookup table module, then select the action event as lookup table, click on connect. Here it will ask for the lookup key, fallback value, and here we can create a table. Okay, so before looking for or searching for anything in this table, just create a table first. So the label we have received is 1, and I want the value corresponding to the label is true. For 0, I want the label value as false. Okay, so this is for the virtual thing. Okay, similarly for the stock thing also you can create such kind of labels. Now when you are going to search for the key here or a value here, the results will appear. Let me show you. Here when I'm clicking on this lookup key field, the previous step is appearing here in the drop down, and when you click on it you can see this virtual label. Just select it and then click on save and send test request button, and this is the response we got. Here it is showing the result label 1, value is true. Okay, so here we got the result like this, and it has started showing the value true for this value that we have mapped here 1. Okay, now we can use these labels in the next steps. So the next step is just click here on this plus icon to add one more action step, and this step is for creating the product in the next store. Okay, so select WooCommerce again, and the action event would be create a product, then click on connect. From here select add new connection because we are connecting with a new store now, and here it will ask for the consumer key, the secret, and the website URL. So let me open my secondary WooCommerce store, which is here. Here guys, you have to come to WooCommerce, and from here click on settings. Under settings page you will find the advanced tab, click on it, and under the advanced page you will see this REST API option. Click on REST API, and here guys we need to create a API key, so click on add key button. Okay, here we can provide a description, so I'm just typing here import. Okay, this is the user, and here you have to select the permission as read/write. Okay, all right, so after selecting the permission, click on generate API key button, and here's how you will get the consumer key, the secret key, and these are the two things we want. Just click on copy, paste it here, and this one also, right? And here it is asking for the website's URL. So for this you just have to open your website. From the top search bar you will see the URL, so you just have to copy the URL including the leading HTTP address, and you have to copy it till .com, and you do not have to include slash wp admin and etc. Just copy here till this .com and paste it here in this website URL field, and you can read the instructions. You need to remove the ending slash as well. Remove it till .com only, and then click on save, and you will be connected with your second or secondary store. Okay, so we are now connected, and here it started asking for all the details of the product. So you have to map the details one by one from the previous trigger. Okay, so just search for the name and map the name label, search for the slug and map the slug. Okay, product type, just click on map button and erase this, and from the first tab map the type label. Similarly, for the publishing status, you can map it as well. So if the product is published in the first store, in the next store also it will be published automatically. So here you can see the status, map it. Featured product, no, it is not featured, keep it as false. SKU, we do not have SKUs, leave it, because this is a virtual downloadable product. It is going to be in stock forever until you put it manually that it is out of stock. Catalog visibility, you can map this as well. Just search for the visibility label here, visible. Okay, here you can see, map it. Regular price, search for the price. Here you can see the regular price, map it. Sale price, you will get the sale price. Here you can see the sale price. Description, everything can be mapped here like this. And okay, so this is a virtual product, as I have told you, and we are getting the virtual product's value as 1 here in the label, and we have converted into this true value. Now let's see how we can use this true value here. So here you can see, when you map the virtual label, it will show you this kind of format, a boolean code format, and here it is showing false. Erase the false word, and from the second lookup table step, map the result value, and it will make it true. Okay, the product is taxable, so I'm just manually doing these things. You can do it at your own pace. So here we have this manage stock option as well. So if you have to manage the stock in case of physical products, it will show the true false value here as well. So what you can do, you can create a table for that also, and if it is a physical product, it must give you the true value, and the true value corresponds to the 1 number here in WooCommerce. So you can map the same result label for this option as well. No need to worry, just map the same here also in this manage stock option. Just toggle this on, erase this false value, and from the second last step, map it like this. Stock quantity, we do not have any, keep it blank. It is in stock, map it from the first. Stock status, in stock. Okay, right, so I think I have mapped the required things. We have many options here, you can use all the options. Right now I'm showing you the demo, so I'm going to leave all these things blank right now, and let us check the connection with WooCommerce. So I'm going to click on save and send test request button, and a new product will be created and added here inside this secondary store. So let me show you the product section of this store. So this is the product section, and we have right now 2 products on already. So here I'm going to click on save and send test request button and see if we got a new product added. Alright, so this is the response we got. We got a new product ID generated. That means we got a new product added as well. So let me show you in my secondary store. Let me just refresh the product section. And here you can see, guys, we got a 3rd product added here with this name, new test product. But here you can see the image is not appearing here because we didn't map the image link. This is a mistake. Let me just map it. Here you will find the image name, image URL, line item, image URL. This is the must-have field that you have to cover. Here from the first tab, just map the image src label, img src. Okay, here is image src label, just map it. Now let me just delete this product and let's do one more test. So I have deleted this product and let me click on save and send one more time here, and this time the product will be generated along with the image. Alright, so we got the response again, and let me show you the status of the product here in the product section of the secondary store. And here we got a new product, and here you can see it is showing the image as well. Okay, this is uncategorized, but it is published, you can see. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, it will work automatically whenever you are going to add a new product in your primary store. In your secondary store, the same product will be published automatically. And I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.